So, you want to install iPhone and iPad apps on your Mac. What you'll need is an app called PlayCover. This app will make it possible for you to install iPhone and iPad apps that are not available on the App Store on your Mac. One thing you should know is that for this to work, you will need an M1 Apple Silicon Mac. So Intel Macs will not work with PlayCover. To download PlayCover, you should go to playcover.me and you should click download for Apple Silicon. Once that download is complete, you should open the download DMG and copy that download to your applications folder. Once you do that, I'm going to click replace because I already have the app. You should go to the applications folder and you should right click and click open. This dialog box will pop up and then you click open and PlayCover will launch. Okay, so you have PlayCover installed and now you need to get the apps. I have a few apps installed here. And the thing is that you can't just get any app. The apps have to be decrypted because the IPA files that come from the App Store have a DRM embedded in them. So you have to decrypt the apps and then get them installed. So to get these decrypted apps, you should go to this website called Decrypted iOS App Store. And I'll have that website linked in the description. And this is where you should search for your apps. One thing you should know about this website is you can't really search for an app unless you have an account. So go ahead and click on the top right hand corner and basically log in with iOS gods and make an account. So once you have that done, you can just search the app that you want. In my case, I want Near or Near Reincarnation. And then the page should populate with the different apps from the App Store. And you should click decrypt this app. And once it's done, it will take a bit. You'll get a download link. One thing everyone should know is that this App Store only hosts free apps. You will not find paid apps on here. So when the app download is done, you should click add app. Find the IPA file that you downloaded and then click open. Once you do that, it will go through a few things to unzip the app and then install the necessary additional stuff and create an app wrapper, and then the app should be installed like I have here. One thing everyone should know is that not every app is going to work with PlayCover. Some apps have some protections that prevent that from happening. So, it's going to be on an app by app basis whether the apps are going to work or not. In the case of Near, it does work, and I'll launch the app here so everyone can see how the app runs. If you like this video, please click like. If you have any questions or comments, the comments are down below. And for more stuff like this, just subscribe. I'm going to try to make stuff like this more often. And thank you for watching.